Hello friends, hope you're well, and today's our video's topic is garden hammock seating. It is a popular choice for those looking to add a comfortable and relaxing seating option to their patio or outdoor space. These hammocks offer a unique way to relax, providing a comfortable place to sit or lie down while enjoying the fresh air and sunshine. The design of garden hammock seating is typically a suspended seat or bed made of durable fabric or rope that is hung from a sturdy frame or tree. The seat can be adjusted to provide a comfortable and secure fit to the user, and some models even feature additional cushions or pillows but for added comfort. One of the benefits of garden hammock seating is that it takes up very little space, making it an ideal choice for small patios or outdoors areas. It is also easy to move around, allowing you to position it in the perfect spot for maximum relaxation. Another advantage of garden hammock setting is that it is durable and long lasting. Made from high quality material, these hammocks can withstand the elements and provide years of use. In addition to being a comfortable seating option, garden hammock seating can also add a decorative touch to your patio or outdoor space. With a variety of styles and colors available, you can choose a hammock that matches your decor and adds a unique touch to your outdoor area. In addition, garden hammock seating is a great choice for those looking for a comfortable, relaxing, and space saving seating option for their patio or outdoor space. With its durable materials and decorative appeal, a garden hammock seating is a great investment that can provide years of comfort and enjoyment. So this is all about today's topic, and I hope so you like it, and I've given you a lot of unique ideas for making your hammock seating in your garden. So if you're liking our videos, do comment us and tell us about our videos. And if any topic you want us to tell you about or its ideas, do tell us in the comment. So if you like our channel, subscribe us and hit the like